We're so excited to join you at your first annual car show, Dylan. Are you excited?
Yeah. Are you ready? Start your engine.
Yes, we're ready to start our engine. Show off your car, son.
You lucky? Chauffeur?
Bentley?
Range Rover?
What? A Camaro? Charger? Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Black Panther?
Beetle?
You better go, Dylan. Go, Dylan. Go, Dylan. Go. Hummer? Dylan's first car home. Barracuda?
The big one?
You can do it, Dylan. You can do it. A Porsche? F-150? A Porsche truck? And a Jeep? A Jeep Gladiator. Way to go, Dylan. Way to go. Hey, one more question to ask you, Dylan. It's called the Fast Five of your car home. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, which one is your fastest car? Your fastest?
This BMW.
Like BMW? Okay, which one is your favorite car?
The red BMW.
The red BMW? Okay, which one is the flashiest car out of your whole fleet? The flashiest car?
The Bentley.
The Bentley?
Yeah.
Wow! Okay, which one is your freshest foreign car? Foreign.
This Range Rover.
The Range Rover?
Yeah.
Wow! Okay, which one was the very first car you added to your signature fleet? Your very first car that you started your fleet?
Is this Barracuda?
Your Barracuda? Okay, can you count your cars for me, son?
Yeah.
How many cars do you have? 3 years old.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Can you count them in Spanish?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Let me see you do it, son.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Way to go!
Look at squad, please.
Stand by for further information.
Dylan at his car lot, collecting cars. You like collecting cars, son?
Yes, he loves the car.
You love collecting cars?
Yes.
Okay, great. What do you have for us, Dylan? BMW, a Benz, La Policia, and